Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I'm out here fooling with this grinder. The brushes went bad in it again. And I was going to show you something that I've been doing because it seems to be very hard to find the right brushes for this grinder. And I have found them before, and I can't remember where I bought them. It was a couple years ago. I didn't bookmark the page like I should have. And so now I keep getting the wrong ones. But anyway, I'm going to show you what I've been doing with it and what I'm fixing to try to do with it this time because I got the wrong ones again. But anyway, the brushes go inside under this little lip right here. If you hadn't been inside of a grinder, when it stops running, it's usually the brushes are worn down. These are the brushes that came in it. They're worn down, they're too low. I ordered the wrong ones twice and got some too small. You can see they're not as wide. And finally I just said screw it, and I ended up trying to put these in there. These smaller ones will make it run. I found that out. That's what I'm changing out another set of these small ones now. But they will run it for about 2 or 3 weeks. I run it every day. This grinder is ran, every single day unless a fluke happens or something. But they lasted a few weeks, not as long as they normally would if you had the right ones. But if you order some that are too small, as long as you can get them on that connector, they do work. So this time, I ordered these. When I seen those, I was like, man, that is them. But it's not. They're too wide. They go in something else. But let me pull one out. They're too wide, and the connector's a little too big. That's the original. And you can kind of see it don't go in there. But what I did is I took this one and I ground some of the side off of it. You can see it's a little bit narrower now, if I can keep the camera straight. I ground the side down on it, on the bench grinder. It comes right off of there. It just turns to dust. But now it will fit in there. The connector's too big for it. But I think I can just connect one side and hopefully it'll work. So anyway, like I say, I don't know if this one will work or not. The smaller ones did work. They just don't last as long. And now I'm back to trying to rig up something else. So we're gonna try this out. I'm gonna grind them down and try to fit it on there and see will it work too. It is also way too tall. Way too tall. This may be a bad idea, but we'll see. All right, you can see how much I had to shrink them down. A little off the side and almost half of the length. But I'm gonna put them back in and see whether they work. All right, let's see if it works again. Looks like it worked out great. Yeah, I wish I'd have thought of that a long time ago. I had a few piled up. I didn't realize you could adjust them and make smaller ones. So anyway, that's just a quick tip if you didn't know, and if you find yourself in this same type of situation. Now you know. I made that sucker almost half the size, and it still works fine. I found out too, it comes off real easy on sandpaper. Just put some sandpaper on the table and take it off. It has a little ledge, or these ones did, and I had to take that ledge down so it could make contact with that centerpiece, but it comes right off on that sandpaper. It's actually better because that bench grinder is kind of harder to keep it straight on there, keep it flush. But anyway, like I say, if you find yourself buying the wrong brushes all the time, or you just have some laying around that might work, they most likely do, because everything I've tried has worked. So anyway, we'll see you on the next one.